Right, bikes are all here, all safe in the car park. Day 4, Thursday. So off to get some fuel. Some of the other lot, they get a bit lazy in the morning, they don't want to get out of bed.
Bye Mr. Hayes, thanks for waiting for me. Yeah, off to the petrol station now. It's not very exciting, is it? Someone wants some air in their tyres. I just haven't done any dodgy videoing of our lovely little car park. Darren and Matt are probably still kissing in bed. Grant's up, Waggy's gone. Got to get my bloody leg over my... Oh, it's a pain in the arse. Oh! Track mode. Here we go. Got to be careful on this surface, you do a bit of a slip. Yep, we're sliding. Oh, and the sun! Good morning, Jackar! The vans are still there, that's good. We can get home.
Here's a little Repsol fuel station. There's some of the boys over there. We went up there yesterday. Going that way, this time we're going east and then north. Right, let's fuel up. Yeah, there's not many petrol stations do the 98 octane here. Seems to be the shitty 95, so we'll go for 98 here. Coolio. Yeah, so just filled up with fuel as you saw. On day 4, here for 5 days. Heading to Fiscal, down the valley, so we're heading east. This road is brilliant, it cuts through the valley. Up to Fiscal, and then on a loop round to Biescas. Something like that anyway. Don't quite know how you pronounce it. Yeah, this road's really good. So yeah, we had a good night last night. Back to the same bar, had a lovely burger, a few beers. We're in bed by about midnight. We're all so tired. We're doing about between 170 and 200 miles a day. And that's not on these kind of roads, that's on proper switchback, mountain, crazy, well, amazing roads. You'll see as you watch the different videos, there are probably about 7 parts of this video, I guess. So yeah, got Mr. Hayes in front on his BMW, got his airbag jacket on. Gaz behind him as in front of me with his on his KTM Super car with his airbag, the Mazzano jacket on. Jackets have been brilliant. Matt's had a bit of an issue with his. There's a sequence of lights on the cuff, and his hasn't been playing ball, so a little bit irritating. There goes the Gaza.
There's my bro. Ah, this is lovely. It's about 22 degrees. About, I don't know, 10 in the morning. Matt's behind. Couldn't wish for anything else really, motorbike wise. It's absolutely lovely. Yeah, we're off to Fiscal, which doesn't mean a huge amount to me, but we've been there before, so we might probably stop for a coffee there. There's some lovely roads as we get up there. See the scenery now, it's getting really nice. We've got Matt Matt man! How you doing? I'll race you. Oh, bad boy. I think Darren's behind. Waggy. Can't remember. Don't know what this car's doing anyway in the fast lane. Oh dear, Matt's going to undertake him. I think you're kind of allowed to do that. Coming through, VW. Catch these boys up. Oh, a lovely big sweeper. So we can get some good footage of these boys together. There's Matt Man. He's a Ducati, but he's loved the Ducati this holiday. I think he's at one with it, he loves it.
Goes Gaz and Matt.
There he goes. Bad boy.
Goes Gaz and Matt. They're going to have a little race. They keep racing, it's so funny. Go for the tunnel now.
Going through the tunnel, and Matt can't help himself. He will rev his bike, I can absolutely promise you. I'll leg him on a bit. Oh, he's not, he's being a good boy. Oh no, he's not. There he goes. I'll tell you what, it's dropped in temperature in this tunnel, it's lovely. Yeah, he can't help listening to the sound of his bike. Let's give him one back. Mr. Hayes is being very sensible, he's a good boy.
Coming up the mountain you get two lanes, and going down you get one. So going up, the lorries have to go into the inside lane, but well, cars as well, but they don't half the time. But as as we always know, there's just no one here. It's just absolutely superb. Turn off at this roundabout. Not too sure where the other boys have disappeared to. Oh, I've got a massive spug on my lens. I'm hoping it doesn't affect the view. It's not in the middle of the lens, so it's waiting for the boys. They're not even there. Don't know where they've gone. Seem to have lost the other guys. Don't know where they've gone. Oh, there's more cars coming up this way than last time. This is a brilliant bit of road, this first bit. Not good when you're stuck behind a freaking car though. There's Mr. Hayes. Mr. Hayes is a brilliant rider. Whatever bike he's on, he adapts to it. He's awesome. He's on his GS last year and he could leave us all behind. Hang back a little bit. The other day, but can't remember it. Back brake on this is brilliant. It's not amazing, but it just dabs a tiny bit of speed off into some of the corners. we're going to go back to the area that we know really, really well and just ride that, because we know every tiny bit of the roads up the other side, and it ain't so buggo. I don't know. I don't know where they went. They disappeared. Those two girls are they're out of Mad Max, I think. Those girls are out of Mad Max.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Right, exactly.
Hold on, boys. What's this place called so we can tell them? I have no idea.
This is...
Not Bronto. Brotto? Brotto?
That's Discontinued.
No, we'll look on our phones. It's fine, but... Mate, I slowed down on that big flyover. Brotto, B-R-O-T-O.
Oh, you don't Oh, to the cafe.
Oh, we can sit in the garden outside over there, look, it's fine. Oh, he speaks good English.
We've got to move our bikes though. What? You won't let us keep our bikes here.
Here they are. Here's the benders.
Well, we'll have to move. Let's move them.
Sorry, dude, it's my fault. No, you hit that, it's fine. My mirrors are so dirty I can't see out of them. Yeah, we can sit in that garden.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Ah, look at that road up there. It's about 10, 15 hairpin bends. No, not that many, about 7, 8 perhaps, but yeah, that's where we're off to. I think I've got, yeah, got Daz in front. Be careful because lots of cars. Whoa, there's a big drop off there. Two Garda Civil, 2 police trucks. look over there. Stunning back there. Amazing view. We're just down there a minute ago. I'll get Greggy to go past me and I can video him. There's the Greggy. It's a bit busy, bit busier than we'd like, but just to take it a little bit easy because of that. You've got to keep away from the centre, take the corners wide and then cut them in at the exit. Keep wide. I see cars.
There's a guy beating us on his push bike. It's a bit embarrassing. He is ripping. He's burning! He burned us! He's doing 42 miles an hour. I think he might fall off in a minute. That would be funny. He'd have no legs left. He's a nutter! Oh, poor bugger. He's going down and he's coming up. Kept an average speed of about 40 miles an hour. Come on, Wag, give us a blue flame. Yay, blue flame. Yeah. Blue flame time.
Right, we've decided to go up to Fort McGowl for lunch. We know a nice restaurant on the side of the mountain. Haven't been there this week, so we're going to go there. That's the plan anyway. Annoyingly, they're resurfacing the road and it's a bit shit, but it's fine. It's only dodgy for a little while and then it's alright. Yeah, there's no clouds today. It's a lot clearer than it was when we came up here the other day, because it's getting hotter and hotter. 27 degrees. So it's very, very, very warm. It seems to keep the clouds over in France, so it's good. Lovely scenery. Gaza. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yes, nice.
It's nice and pink.
Reason over there, at the top of the mountain. Look at that. There's the bikes parked up. Right, we just had lunch, a nice restaurant at the top of the mountain. As you can see, the view is amazing. Look at that. Stunning. It's gas in front. A lot of gravel on this road. I lost the back end twice coming up here. It's freaking dangerous. So you've got to be careful. This bit's alright, it's the bit further down, it's definitely dodgy. Yeah, it's good to bring the lads up here because they've not been up here before. Looks like a good road, but there's patches of gravel dotted about, so no point gunning it. A little bit dangerous. We're off to Biescas, then Fiscal. Back the way we came this morning, because it's a nice road. Oh, bumps again. Oh. But these roads are always bad up here because they're just under snow. Big part of the year they get chewed up by snow ploughs and stuff. So they're not very smooth, but but it's just nice to come up here. You can't ride them hard, but it's nice to come up here to see the view. Stunning. Gas is behind me now. This road's got some bad bumps in it, but it's fine. They resurfaced the bad bits just the other day. bad as it was. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Yeah, great scenery up here, spectacular. There goes the Desert. There goes the boys. Go on. I'm filming. I'm filming. I think Greg thought I wanted to tell him something.
Did you like that?
Hot, yeah. Apart from I overcooked.
I overcooked about 4 corners.
Definitely second, possibly second. There was that double. Hey? I thought I had the video on. Oh no! But it was that double. It was the double. I was in third gear, he's had a second. You just went straight, didn't you? I wouldn't have got it anyway, look, it's sort of splattered up. Yeah.
Aha, I'm on Mr. Hayes's BMW. I can't remember the model now, but it's as smooth as silk. Very, very different to mine, but it's lovely. And it wants to drop into the corners nicely, so happy days. Oh, lovely. Oh, I needed that. I was bloody hot.
Temperature dropped down to 18. There's probably about 10 degrees in there. It was dropping, it's not long enough for it to drop down low enough. Gaz is on Mr. Hayes' bike. Yo! Gaz is on the RS 1200. Jack is right down in the valley down there. BM 1200, that's the Gaza. Bye bye. Ah, we got pulled over by the police. And Gary's not on his bike. Your camera's folded down, dude. Alright. Yeah, we got stopped. The other lot went a different way, typical. Yeah, we did get stopped by the police. They were not happy that we didn't have our passports on us. I guess I never bring my passport out because you might bloody lose it. So I showed him I had my driving licence and a copy of my driving licence paper part as well. No, sorry, registration document. I had a copy of it. I got it back. But Gary didn't have any of his things because he's on Grant's bike. So Gary had nothing. I thought he was going to get arrested because he's not even on his own bike. So not good. But it was fine. The policemen were really friendly. Yeah, it was fine. No problem in the end. No problemo. Oh my god, if we'd have all been there, it would have took ages. Lucky only me and Gary got stopped. The other guys went a different way. Oh well, it's fine. Right, back to the hotel. The others must all be there after our police experience. Oh, we were lucky back there. Oh, they're there. Oh no! Oh my god, oh my god. 5-armed police, roadblock.
We turned round and went the other way. I went, fucking hell, I can't believe
It was too late, we got.
Swap bikes, they didn't believe me because they said, is this your bike? And I went, no.
Oh my god.
And they were fine in the end.
They're fine.
Check this.
What they're annoyed about is that we can have our passports with us. I showed my driving licence, registration document. Really? I had everything.
They were really annoyed.
You've still got to have your passport
with this.
Give us €10.
Greg's over there on a bike. Greg, pedal over here. Why is there smoke coming out of the bike?
Smoke coming out of Greg's penis.
Nice club, yeah?
No, the grub wasn't nice. It was lovely.
It was good.